Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have another lovely prize for you. This is a 1962 Lambretta Series 2 with a Casa 186 kit. It's all been fully restored. It's all in fantastic condition, as you can see. And it's only done, I think, a mile since it's been restored. What I'm going to do now is start her up for you. So it is cold. Touch the exhaust here. I'm not burning myself, as you can see. And what we need to do is turn our choke on here, turn our fuel on, and make sure I don't think there's an ignition on this one because of the year. You just kick it and it starts. So it's got really good compression. It feels like obviously it's been all rebuilt. So I've got to give it a good kick. There we are. Let it warm up a little bit on the choke. Nice horn. See our lights working. And then take it off. Very crisp motor. So this one, tickets are $2.99. You can get them on our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and take a look at the site because we've got lots of other nice show scooters as well, like this fully restored example. And if you do enter, good luck.